In the last part, we already start creating the bubbles, and now we are going to make the details of the bubbles. And this picture is the screen capture from the Vue WhatsApp, and you can see there is a round corners, and also there is message tail. And if this is message, that from myself, it is screen in colors, and the direction of the tail is also different. So in this part, we are going to determine which message is from myself and which message is from our friends. And we are going to add the tails, and we are going to add the colors, and also we have to add the timestamp too. So let's get started. So first, we are going to create this myMessage component. So we back to the message.js, and then we go to add the myMessage component. We base on this message bubble, and we are going to add the margin left, and the background color is light green, and you can see there is no round corner at the top right corner. It just has the rounded corner at the other three sides. And next, we are going to create the friend message, and the friend message is white in color, which is on the left hand side, and it will not have any corners on the top left corners. So later you will see the round corner only happen on the bottom left, bottom right, and the top right, and it will not have any corners at this place. And then we are going to add the message tail, and the message tails is at the top side, but we have to add the pictures in order to help us to create a tail. So we go to the public, and then we paste the tail, and this is very easy for creating message tail because it just has one decoration, is the margin top is -4 pixel, and we use the span. So now we are going to start adding the determine the message is from myself or from the friend. And since we do not have any backend yet, so we have to assume or let an example that the login mail is equal to ckmobile@gmail.com. So we are going to compare with the message data. So if this is the same, so this is message is from me. Otherwise, this is from Emma or from your friend. So we back to the message.js. Now we are going to compare, and for example, we are going to create a message type is equal to, and then we are going to add the user. We are going to compare if the user is equal to the login mail, then we are going to return my message component that we just create at the bottom. Otherwise, we are going to return the friend message. Now we go back to the top, and we already add the container, and then we have to add the message tail. And because we create a message type, so instead of just use the message bubble, we are going to use the message type. So we copy this and paste to here. And actually, I think you already can see the difference in the website, so we can take a look. And now you already see if the message is from me, then the message will on the right hand side, and the color is green. So for example, if we add one more message is from Emma, so we copy the next line, and then we type again, and then we add some random ID, and then we say nice to see you. Now you can see the message will already appeared on the left hand side. Now we have to add the tail on both sides, so we go to continue to create the tail, and we back to the message. So there are two possibilities. One is right before the message, and the other is after the message if the message is from myself. So we go to here, and again we are going to compare if the user is not equal to the login mail, then we will render the message tail, and then we have to import the image. The image is /message tail friend.png, and this is from the public folder, and this will be svg. Now you can see the message tail. Maybe we change this to -2 pixel. So now you can see the message tail looks better. So we have to deal with another size. So actually this is very similar. So we copy this and paste to here. And if this is triple equal to the login mail, then this is my message. So we use the my.svg, and then we save it. Now you can see this side also has the message tail. And the last thing is we have to pass the timestamp. The major thing is timestamp has a grade in colors, and also the size is smaller, and we will align to the right. So after we already has the timestamp, we are going to display it inside our message bubble. So the timestamp is after the message. So we go to here, and after the message, we type moment. And since we are using moment, so we have to import the moment from moment, and then moment timestamp dot format, and then local time. So we save it. Now we can see the times already appeared, but we forgot to use the timestamp to wrap the timestamp. So we type timestamp, and then we close with the timestamp style component. Now you can see the times looks much better. And one last thing is you can see we forgot to add the background to the message container. So we have to go back to the message container, and then add the style components. We have to add back the background image, and also we have to fix it so it will not scroll with the message. And then we add the message or the background to the public folder. So we paste to here. So we have the background chat PNG, and then we save all. Now you can see there is WhatsApp background image at the message box.